Good day guys, welcome. In this video I'm showing you how to connect Calendly to make.com. So firstly, of course, make sure to have both accounts handy, both for Calendly and Make. And now guys, you just go to integrations and apps in Calendly, and in here type in Make. And as you can see, we need to visit the partner integration page for how to integrate it. Now you just press on Add Integration, Get Started Free. And in here, you go to Connections. And as you can see in this section, we can connect more than 2,000 apps. Press on Open Scenario Builder. And in here, guys, we can start automating. So firstly, click on the plus to create a new automation and search for Calendly. Here's our Calendly. Press on it and choose which kind of trigger you wish. Then press on Save. I'm just going to choose List Events. Okay, create a connection now. You can name your connection. Also, we have advanced settings. If you wish to mess around with those, press on Save. And as you can see now, a new window will pop up, asking us to connect Calendly. Press on this button. All right, great. Now the connection is established. And from here, you can, as you can see, customize all of these various settings. So pretty much this is how it's done, guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.